Hi everyone, it's Adam from Adam's Awesome Projects, and today in this video we're going to start working on Tamiya's early Panther G. And this is an older kit that I got after my marching band season was over as a reward for completing it. So it's been a while since I've done a Panther tank. There was one I did in the summer, and that was like 3 months ago, I think. So this is a newer Panther build video that I'm making to add to my Panther tank collection. So without further ado, let's get straight into building our Panther G from Tamiya.
Welcome everyone to a new special video on Adam's Awesome Projects. We welcome you. It's me. And we need some photos like that. Somebody.
Okay, so I finished up my Panther G and I painted it black to give it shadow coats by using Tamiya's X1 Black. And I also sprayed the model with hairspray because I wanted to give it chip effects as well. So in part 2, we're going to separate the turret from the body, and when we paint the XF60 in part 2. And then we're going to do the camo scheme after that as well. Okay, so this is the end of part 1 on building Tamiya's early Panther G, and also stay tuned for part 2 on painting and weathering the model as well, because I'm going to be going over some tutorials. And also, if you stay tuned for part 2, I have a special shout out to give out at the end of the video in part 2 as well. And also, if you liked it a lot, you can give it 10 stars, and also subscribe if you're not already, and also give it a like, and also rate, favorite, and comment as well. This is Adam from Adam's Awesome Projects. Peace out, guys. I'll see you later in another video. Bye.